Hello, namaste, and a very good afternoon to one and all. I, Amita Karnani, welcome you all on behalf of Innerweal Club of Banjara on this special occasion of the installation ceremony. Today, as Innerweal Banjara installs its fourth president, Mrs. Roma Gandhi and her team, I extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, District Chairman, Mrs. Sunita Vallamji. The guest of honor, Honorable Mayor of Hyderabad, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Gadwalji, our guiding lights, our seniors and mentors, and our lovely members who have made us what we are today, most of whom have become our dearest friends. Today's event reflects a simple philosophy of life, the wheels of change. The wheel has come a full circle once again, and the installation ceremony of the new team marks new beginnings. With the incoming team geared up to take charge, touch lives, and make a difference in these challenging circumstances. Someone rightly said, and I quote, "Your ability to keep moving when there is a reason to be fearful will enable you to spin the full circle of life." It is also said that sometimes wheels can give you wings. The pursuit of moving towards our objectives has brought us all together under the glorious banner of Innerweal Club. And we hold very close to our hearts the presidential theme of Pink First, Women Supporting Women, and the association theme of Strong Woman, Stronger World. I now call upon President Mrs. Anita Goyal to kindly call the meeting to order.
Meeting called to an order.
Thank you, Anita ji. Thank you. A prayer is to align ourselves with the purposes of God. So now I request Joint Secretary Mrs. Krishnaveni Singh to recite the Innerweal prayer as we all join her.
May our prayer.
Can we have the spotlight on Krishnaveni, please?
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all Thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too can need for service arises. Help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you. Over to Amita.
Thank you, Krishnaveni ji. That was wonderful. May the remover of obstacles, the Vignaharta, keep enlightening our lives. Let us light the lamp of hope and pray that He showers His blessings on us to create peace and harmony on earth. May we have the Ganesh Vandana video?
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मदेव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम् ॐ
Thank you, Preeti, for the melodious Ganesh Vandana. I pray for an auspicious start to this term. Positive thoughts generate positive feelings and attract positive life experiences. And to start this event on a positive note, may I request our extremely active and charming member, Mrs. Savita Prem, to inspire us with the thought of the day. Over to you, Savita.
Hello, friends. Yeah, audible?
Yes, we can hear
Hello,
you.
friends. I'm Savita Prem. That's nice. On this platform of IWC Banjara, I want to bond more, rejoice more, and stay. I present the thought for the day today. Feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives the strength. Here is to strong women. May we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. Thank you.
Advisable. Roma, ravishing and respectful. Amita, affirmative and amicable. Krishnaveni, kind and knowledgeable. Bhagavati, bright and bold. Lata, loving and lucrative. Manmeet, magnificent and majestic. Namita, natural and neat. Nikhat, nice and new. Tasneem, treasured and tasteful. Usha, understanding and unique. A very big thank you to all the members for doing what you do so well, which is to rise to the occasion whenever called upon to make a difference to our community and the entire world. I want to thank our district chairman, Sulochana Mathurji, for her precious guidance and always encouraging attitude. Our seniors from our mother club, Innerville Club of Secunderabad, our sister club, Innerville Club of Central, for always being there to guide and support us in all our endeavors. Last but not the least, I like to thank my husband, Mr. Anil Goyal, for always being my pillar of strength. I now hand over the baton to Roma Gandhi. I am confident that her dedication and enthusiastic, ravishing and respected spirit will help our club reach greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Anita. That was so beautiful. Difficulties to opportunities. That was the byline for this year, I suppose. Challenges to opportunities. Success is like a vehicle which moves on a wheel called our own hard work and smart work. I now request our most efficient, meticulous, and diligent secretary, Mrs. Roma Gandhi, to present her report for the term 2020-21. Over to you, Roma.
Thank you, Amita, and thank you, Anita, for the kind words. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so I continue. A very good evening to all the distinguished dignitaries present here today. A hearty welcome to our chief guest, Mrs. Sunita Vallamji, guest of honor, our mayor, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Gadwalji, the mother of our club, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawatji, our honorable PDCs, past presidents, member of our sister clubs, esteemed guests, and to all my Innerville sisters today. It is my privilege to present before you a glimpse of the work done by us through the year, upholding Innerville values, especially the theme for the year 2020-21, Lead the Change and Hope, announced by our association president, Mrs. Vasudha Chandrachudji. Innerville Banjara has worked relentlessly throughout the year in all spheres for the upliftment of the underprivileged. This year, we have accomplished 51 projects and the amount spent was rupees 5,51,650 and beneficiaries were many. Next category, please. Help fight COVID-19. Innerville Banjara has done its best to provide NBT Nagar dispensary and urban health center Banjara Hills with medicines, gloves, masks, digital thermometers, oximeters, and cans of sanitizers. Monetary help was provided to a COVID patient. Oxygen concentrators were donated to the government by public health. Free COVID tests were conducted by a member for her staff, and Nurses' Day was celebrated. Slide didn't change. Next category, health and hygiene. Innerweave Banjara celebrated Doctors' Day by felicitating 5 doctors. Sanitary medicines, refrigerator, cot, glucose stand was given to Sparsh Hospice, who looks after terminally ill cancer patients. A club got Kimti Enclave Banjara Hills sanitized. Sanitary napkins were distributed to Dipshika School and to local women. In a joint district project, hygiene kits were distributed among students. Monetary help was given to a cancer patient. Next category, orphanages. Breastfeeding Week, Nutrition Day, and World Food Day was celebrated by Innerweave Banjara by giving monetary help, groceries, sweaters, and bed sheets to various orphanages. Next category, old age home. Senior Citizens Day and Mother's Day was celebrated by donating groceries at Boiguda Old Age Home, and saris were distributed in the joint ISO district project. Next category, patriotism. Innerweave Banjara celebrated Peace Day by felicitating the traffic police with household gifts and Innerweave bag. Next category, environment. Innerweave Banjara planted 30 saplings with tree guards and Innerweave logos. We celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi by promoting eco-friendly Ganesh idols. The proceeds of the sale went for buying sewing machines for women affected during COVID times. We adopted 2 cows in the NPT Nagar Gaushala. One of our members made a video on Save the Birds. Next category, education. Innerweave Banjara celebrated Teachers' Day by felicitating a primary school teacher with monetary help to medicine. We sponsored fees for 3 students. A printer with its accessories, books, and stationery was given to our adopted school in NPT Nagar. Next category, physically disabled. A walker and special shoes were donated to Physiolife by a member of Innerweave Banjara. Next category, community service. One of our members of Innerweave Banjara rescued a puppy who was injured in COVID times and looked after it. One of our members supported the marriage of a worker's daughter by giving her gifts and monetary help. We felicitated electricity personnel with gifts during the cyclone when the whole city had a massive power cut. Next category, friendship. To make sessions more interesting and interactive, Innerweave Banjara has celebrated Janmashtami, Ganesh Festival, Independence Day, Ram Navami, and Holi. Webinars were conducted on yoga, microgreens, macrame, and nutrition. Next category, status of women. Innerweave Banjara has always believed in empowering women. It conducted 2 competitions for the Basti women for making face masks and bags. 5 sewing machines were distributed in these 2 competitions. Consolation cash prizes with Innerweave branded bags and Innerweave branded sanitary napkins were distributed. Next category, branding of Innerweave. Innerweave Banjara has always promoted itself by posting events in newspapers, Facebook, and Instagram. We have done branding on tree guards, masks, jute bags, sanitary napkins, parking banners. Next category, attending district events. Innerweave Banjara was entrusted with the responsibility of conducting the first ever virtual district rally, and we are proud to say that the event was organized meticulously, earning us the praise of all our mentors. All district meetings were virtual and have been attended by our president and secretary. Next category, membership growth. 3 new members were inducted in July, and now 2 members were inducted in January. Next category, awards and applause. Teamwork has always been one of our strengths, with our committee and members displaying their drive and talent in numerous competitions conducted by many Innerweal clubs. Some of our members, Krishnaveni Singh, Preeti Mishra, Asma Rasvi, Swapna Muthe, and Leher Agarwal made us proud of winning a number of prizes and adding to the glorious achievements of our club. Looking forward to another eventful year, and my best wishes to my incoming team. Thank you. Over to you, Amita.
Thank you, Roma. Thank you so much. I am really missing the applause that would have ensued had this been a live event on stage. I really think we deserve a small cheer right now. Although it's difficult to receive it, but I really think we deserve a small cheer. Thank you, Roma. May I now request our elegant EC member, Mrs. Manmeet Jaggi, to introduce incoming President, Mrs. Roma Gandhi. Over to you, Manmeet. Unmute yourself, Manmeet.
Thank you, Amita. Thank you, Amita. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening, friends. A very warm welcome to you all. A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman. As the quote says, we all look up to strong, independent, and extraordinary women for the upliftment of the society. And here we are, the Innerweal Club sisters, with great enthusiasm and a positive approach, holding each other's hands for a stronger world. I, Manmeet Jaggi, the joint treasurer for this year, is feeling proud to introduce you our president for the year 2021-2022, Mrs. Roma Gandhi, a very passionate and a strong personality. Roma Gandhi is a Punjabi brought up in Kolkata and moved to Hyderabad in 1981 after her marriage. She is an economic graduate and has done her Montessori training from Hyderabad. She is married to Chandrasekhar Gandhi, who is a BTech and MTech from IIT Delhi. Romaji is blessed with a daughter Priyanka and a son Pranay. Romaji is a diligent, hardworking, and a meticulous person. She believes in perfection and is a perfectionist herself. She loves reading, traveling, cooking, watching movies, and takes part in social projects. And her motto is to give back to the society. She is actively associated with FICCI since 2003. Roma Gandhi has been associated with Innerweal Banjara Club right from its inception in 2017. She started as a joint secretary and was on this post for 3 years, and then became the secretary last year. Now, this year, she is ready to lead the club by taking this prestigious post of president. And we all know that with her able guidance and her principled leadership qualities, she will take the club to the greater heights. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amita.
Thank you, Manmeet. That was a lovely introduction of our incoming president, Mrs. Roma Gandhi. Continuing today's program, शुरुआत करने के लिए महान होने की जरूरत नहीं, शुरुआत करने के लिए महान होने की जरूरत नहीं, पर महान होने के लिए शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है. Friends, now it's time to pass on the torch of leadership from one team to the other and from one president to the other. A momentous occasion indeed, as we witness our president, Mrs. Anita Goyal, adorning the collar and pinning, incoming President Mrs. Roma Gandhi, and handing over of the charter to incoming Secretary Mrs. Krishnaveni Singh. May we have the video, please? May I request President Roma ji to please render her acceptance speech.
I will first for, am I audible?
Yes, Roma ji, we can hear you.
Thank you, Amita. I will like my daughter-in-law to put the collar on me and pin me first, and then I will give my acceptance speech. Janvi?
Yes, we are looking.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Cheers to everyone for a wonderful program and looking forward to this year actually with the whole team and Mama leading everybody.
Thank you, Janvi.
Thank you so much, Janvi.
Thank you so much.
She is a darling.
Thank you, Janvi, for doing the honors.
Thank you.
Looking forward to more participation from you in this term.
Absolutely. It will be my privilege. All right. See you.
Thank you, Janvi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So good evening once again to the galaxy of dignitaries present here today. Thank you, Manmeet, for the kind words that have been said about me. I'm extremely humbled and honored that my club members have shown faith in me and entrusted me with the post of president this year. I accept this position bestowed upon me with utmost gratitude and respect, and I will try my level best to live up to your trust and take the club to greater heights. As you all know, I have always given importance to teamwork. No project is possible if we do not have the support of our team. I'm really inspired by Mr. Ratan Tata's pearls of wisdom. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. Mrs. Ebbe Martins, International Inner Wheel President, has announced the theme for 2021-22, Pink First, which translates to Women Helping Women. And we must live it up by showing solidarity with women in every way. Our association president, Mrs. Saroj Katiyar, has given us the theme, Strong Women, Stronger World. And she lays emphasis on the need for us to build, motivate, and grow. Our goal for this year will be empowering women and securing lives. The objective for the present term will be dedicated to the superwoman within each one of us. The woman inside us is Shiroz. S stands for Stree Shakti, supporting women entrepreneurs. H is for health, stands for hygiene, happiness, and awareness for all. E is for earth care, that is responsibilities towards nature. R is for refresh. We will all refresh ourselves in the triennial conference, which will be held in Varanasi in February 2022. O is for orphanage and old age homes, assistance by conquering loneliness and spreading smiles. E is for e-learning and eradication of social evils, unlocking infinite possibilities and think before you drink. S means spreading the wings of inner wheel. We should attract, nurture, and expand. We at Inner Wheel Banjara will aim at achieving these goals in the coming year. Before I end, I would like to thank my seniors, founder president of our club, a leader in the true sense, Indra Duchania, founding secretary, Rashmi Doshi, who is the backbone of our club, and our one-man army, now the CCC of our club. Past President Laher Agarwal, reliable and helpful, now the treasurer for the second term. Outgoing President Anita Goyal, who had faith in me and gave me full space to work as the secretary. Our efficient Vice President, Amita Karnani, who excels in writing and is the editor this year. Our sensible and smart Swapna Mute, who is the ISO of the club this year and has always provided technical support. I can confidently say that Inner Wheel is now our extended family, and we all help each other so as to achieve our goals. We have been working like a team, and I'm sure we will do the same in this term too. I thank all my senior clubs, Inner Wheel, Sikandrabad and Central, for supporting us. My gratitude and appreciation for the mother of our club, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawatji, and Leela Chandwani ji, now district vice chairman, for guiding me when I was secretary of the club. A big thank you to my family, who has been a pillar of support and constantly helped me in all my endeavors. Now I will introduce my team. The committee introduction, please. Congratulations, Mama. Thank you. Meet my Shernis.
आँखों में रोशनी, जोश है दिल में भरा, गहरे तूफानों में हम ढूंढे रास्ता। राहों पर कांटे हो या चाहे अंगारे हो, रुकना नहीं है हमें रब का वास्ता। लड़ेंगे भिड़ेंगे गिरेंगे उठेंगे, ये दे दी हमने खुद को जुबान। मुसीबत को ऐसा हम पंजा मारेंगे, घुरा के देंगे सिलन का। डर के आगे दहाड़, मैं शेरनी चढ़ लेंगे हर पहाड़। मैं शेरनी
So you have met my Shernis. Now I will talk about my projects completed in the month of July and my future projects too. Inner Wheel Banjara, can we have the slideshow, please?
Yes, Roma, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, Sapna. Projects completed in the month of July. Inner Wheel Banjara kickstarted the new term by celebrating Doctors' Day on 1st July by felicitating 5 renowned doctors in the city. We honored them with certificates, gifts, and inner wheel bags. We donated 5 needle and syringe cutters to Urban Primary Healthcare Center and a carton of biscuits. Cost of the project was 5,100. Next, on 3rd July, International Plastic Bag Free Day was observed. Inner Wheel Banjara distributed 50 jute bags with Inner Wheel logos to various sections of society. Next, please. On 4th July, members of Inner Wheel Banjara sponsored the education of a girl child. Amount paid for the fees was rupees 35,000. Next, please. Going with the theme to help people in old age homes and orphanages, donation was given in 3 charitable institutions: Missionaries of Charity, Little Sisters of the Poor in Boiguda, Ashray Akruti. Cost of the project was rupees 15,000. Next, as we place utmost importance on health and hygiene, and charity always begins at home, our member conducted a vaccination drive for her staff on 15 July. Cost of the project was 10,000. For our forthcoming projects, we will like to hold our exhibition Banjara Bazaar Edition 5, which is an exhibition with a difference. We not only believe in women empowerment, but with the proceeds, we will help the underprivileged children. Thank you for the patient listening. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great year ahead. Thank you. Over to you, Amita.
Thank you, Roma ji. We are so proud to have you at the helm. We hope to have a great year ahead under your able leadership. May I now call upon our founder, secretary, and CCC, pragmatic and devoted, Rashmi Doshi, to introduce our guest of honor and pride of Innerwheel Club Banjara, Honorable Mayor of Hyderabad, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Gadwalji. Over to you, Rashmi.
A very good evening to one and all. My hearty welcome to Sunita Vallamsi, our district chairman, PDCs, seniors, president, secretaries, and my sisters from other Innerwheel clubs. It's my honor to introduce to you the guest of honor for today, the Mayor of Hyderabad, Srimati Vijay Lakshmi Gadwalji, who holds the post of Mayor, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Vijay Lakshmi ji has done her Bachelor's of Arts, followed by LLB and a degree in journalism. Married and settled in the USA for 18 years, she has worked as a research assistant in Duke University, North Carolina. It was a true calling of the motherland for her when she returned to India in 2007, foregoing her US citizenship to join her father, Sri Keshav Raoji, in politics. In the year 2016, she contested for the corporators election and won with a huge majority. Ever since, she has worked round the clock relentlessly for the betterment of her ward. From improvisation to basic amenities like roads, water, and sewerage connections to forming self-help groups for women. She has taken innumerable steps to help the people around her. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us that today she holds the position of the mayor of the city. We are already a witness to the stupendous work she has taken up in such a short span of time of her term on a war-footing basis. Personally, I would describe her as a true politician who has shown the world that she is here for her people at any hour, at any time of the day. Despite being so busy with her schedules, she is totally approachable for any grievance or guidance. For Innerwheel Club of Banjara, she has handled us for so many of our projects, giving us her full support for all our causes. Thank you, ma'am. It is indeed a huge honor for us that you have spared your precious time and sent us this special video. Can we have the video, ITT?
Namaste to one and all. It is unfortunate to do the installation ceremony through virtual for the second consecutive year due to third COVID wave warning. I thank one and all for your cooperation during this ongoing pandemic. I should also thank Anita Goyalji and her team for their continuous service and activities during the last year, either virtually or physically. I have been associated with Innerwheel Club of Banjara right from the day of its inception. As an honorary member, I have personally seen the tremendous work done by the members. I'm really happy to be a part of the installation ceremony of Innerwheel Club of Banjara today. One more challenging year gone by, a year full of unprecedented times beyond the comprehension of mankind. I would like to congratulate ongoing President Anita Goyal and her team for steering the club seamlessly in the right direction and beating all odds to stand with the club's motto of friendship and service. I congratulate the incoming president, Roma Gandhi, who has been selflessly serving the club since the last 4 years. I'm sure her diligent and meticulous nature will take the club to greater heights. I also want to congratulate the incoming secretary, Krishnaveni Singh, one of the most senior members of the Innerwheel, serving the club at various levels for more than 10 years. I am sure her experience will be guiding force for the club to plan their initiatives. Congratulations to all the office bearers of the year 21-22. I am proud
to launch and inaugurate an excellent project, Free Finishing School for Girls. Punk, Your Wings to Fly High, a brainchild of senior member Rashmi Doshi, which she will be personally supervising. This is going to be a free grooming and finishing school for girls, preparing them for the professional world. Various sessions on spoken English, body language, etiquette, dressing right, do's and don'ts, resume making, and many more grooming workshops will be taken up to make the participants interview ready and fit to enter the professional world and capable of facing any challenge. Once again, I congratulate the entire new team and look forward to associating together for many new projects. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we have the launch video of Punk? Thank you so much. So this is a project, an initiative very close to my heart. So we've worked with so many children, girl students from so many government schools over the past few years. We've seen they have such immense potential. We've helped them through till their class 10, and for some of the girl students that were associated, even for their further education. But then what next? Once these girls are through with their primary education, their graduation, probably their +2, what next? So Punk is an initiative for all these girls to face the world. So it gives me immense pleasure in launching this project. Punk, fly high, not for the world to see you, but for you to see the entire world. Punk, your wings to fly. Our free finishing school for young girls is an initiative of Innerwheel Club of Banjara, which aims at creating a platform for young girls to overcome their inhibitions and get groomed to face the world. Tips and training pertaining to the overall development of a girl, right from creating an impressive resume to dressing right for an interview, communication skills via mock interviews, team building exercises, work culture ethics, time management, and skills to think out of the box. Confidence building, exercises to face every challenge at your workplace or in life. Soft skills training for getting the ideal job or become a woman entrepreneur. A well chalked out plan of various sessions specially designed to cover every aspect of a woman's life. Punk will give you those perfect wings to soar high, along with giving you a well-guided takeoff for a smooth and stable life ahead. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi Gadwal ma'am, for inaugurating this initiative for us with your pious hands. There could be no better person to inaugurate this project for us, as you, for us, are the embodiment of women empowerment. So girls, let's get geared up and try and help these girls together to give them wings to fly high. Thank you, Amita. Over to you.
Best. Rashmi, all the best.
All the best.
All the best, Rashmi. This is really exciting. And thank you, ma'am. Even though you could not be in this session, your motivating speech has given a huge boost to our confidence to do better work ahead. And thank you, Rashmi, for giving us a brief of the various activities that will be taken up via the finishing school. We really look forward to an interesting year and exciting times ahead. I now request our vivacious treasurer for 2 consecutive years, Mrs. Leher Agarwal, to introduce Chief Guest, District Chairman, Sunita Vallamji.
Greetings to you all and a very good evening. A very good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Sunita Vallam was born on 14th October 1969 to parents Y.T. Rama Rao and mother Vijayalakshmi, past president of Warangal Club. She joined Inner Wheel in the year 1997, served the club as secretary for the year 2007-2008. She was elected as a president for the year 2009-2010. She has won the Best President, Best Secretary, and rendered service in the district as an editor, ISO, treasurer, ESO, vice chairman, and now the post of district chairman. Sunita ma'am is married to Dr. V. Suresh Kumar. She is blessed with 2 children, daughter Ananya, married to Nikhil Kumar, and son Akhil, married to Amulya, and blessed with 2 granddaughters. All 4 of them are software professionals working in the United States of America. Sunita Vallam's hobbies are traveling, cooking, and crossword puzzles. She has attended several triennial conferences at Bombay, Pune, Varanasi, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. Inner Wheel has been in her blood from past 3 generations. Her grandmother, Amulya Devi, a founder member of Inner Wheel Club of Warangal, her mother, Vijayalakshmi, past president of Inner Wheel Club of Warangal, and Sumita Naidu, past district chairman of 315. She fought many wars, most internal, the ones that she battled alone. For this, she is remarkable. She's a cancer survivor. Yes, a fighter, a winner, and a very strong woman is amongst us, our only district chairman, Sunita Vallam.
Thank you, Leher. I now request Sunita ji to enlighten us with her words of wisdom. Over
Thank
to
you. Thank you, Leher, for introducing me. Thank you so much. My dear President, Mrs. Roma Gandhi, past district chairman, district executive committee, past association treasurer, CCC chairman Padma Sharma garu, president, secretaries, Inner Wheel sisters, guest of honor, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Gadwal, Mayor GHMC, Hyderabad. Good evening to all of you. Now it is a time we prepare ourselves for another year of fruitful services. We are all in our own unique way of serving the community. As saying goes, service to mankind is a service to God. Inner Wheel gives us an opportunity to walk together as a team. Friends, real joy comes not from ease or riches or from the praise of society, but by doing something worthwhile. It is rightly said, we make living by what we got, but we make life by what we give. I would like to congratulate President Anita Goel, Secretary Roma Gandhi, and her team for excellent work during their tenure in difficult times of COVID. Now President Roma Gandhi, Secretary Krishnaveni Singh, and their team has taken up the charge. I assure that as district chairman, I will extend my full cooperation, and I know Banjara Club emerged as vibrant club, and surely fulfill the goals. Thank you, Roma. You covered half of my speech. You have told all the goals, but it is a duty of chairman to say about the goals. And one thing, the international social project is 21-24 is strong woman and stronger world. In every 3 years in convention, the social project changes. This is for 3 years, strong woman and stronger world. The international inner wheel theme, pink first. Pink indicates feminine, women helping women. Then is the orientation of International Inner Wheel President Ebe Martin's theme. Her 4 areas of attention are health, education, opportunity, and empowerment. The goals undertaken this year by Association President Mrs. Saroj Katiyar are Sheroes. The women inside you. S for Stree Shakti, supporting women entrepreneurs, build, motivate, grow. Women entrepreneurs will be encouraged to increase their online visibility, share experience, information, and support each other to achieve success. Health and hygiene. Happiness, a thing on high priority. E for Earth Care, undertaking significant result-oriented program for Green Earth. Refresh. Refresh yourself with triennial conference Envision 2K22. Think, implement, achieve, which is to be held on February 13th, 11th to 13th at Varanasi. O for Oath to Assistant Orphanages and Old Age Homes. E for e-learning and eradication of social evils like tobacco and drugs. Open e-learning centers for school children and adults. Donate smartphones, computers to needy students. Eradication of social evils, spread awareness through print, media, visual methods about hazards of tobacco in schools and colleges. S for spreading the wings of Inner Wheel. Every district should open 5 new clubs, 2 new generation clubs, restore and revive non-functional clubs. Let us make Inner Wheel a household name dedicated to spreading friendship and service. Let us all come together and build a strong and healthier organization by working together and creating an atmosphere of love, mutual trust, and understanding. If you can't do great things, Mother Teresa used to say, do little things with great love. Do them with little love. If you could do them with a little love, do them anyway. Love grows when people serve. And here I came to know PUNK, the initiative program. It is apt to our goals. It's a very good project you have undertaken, Roma. Congratulations. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity as chief guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sunita ji. We are honored to have you here with us, and your motivational words remind me of these lines today. A person's most useful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. Thank you so much. As you get older, 3 things happen. The first is your memory goes, and I can't remember the other 2. So before I forget, let me call upon Mrs. Sangeeta Rastogi to make the birthday announcements for the month.
Thank you, Amita. I, Sangeeta Rastogi, an executive committee member of Inner Wheel Banjara, is pleased to be a part of such an esteemed group. A birthday is an achievement of an individual, which lets one know about the journey of their life. It capitalizes the experience, thereby crediting our wisdom. Our IWC Dynamic Ladies' birthday for the month of July are 2nd July Rajkumari Kirnani, 19th July C. Pratyusha Reddy, 28th July Kiran Dochania. The person of a life is measured by the footprints they leave in other people's life. IWC Banjara wishes its members a year filled with empowerment and leadership. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
Thank
you. Starting an initiative very dear to you and building a team of strong women to take it up to the next level is often a triumph of heart over logic. Our founder president, the high-powered dynamo, Mrs. Indira Dochania, lives by the adage, bring it on. I now request Indira ji to share her thoughts as she sees the sapling she planted build stronger roots and bloom into a lush green plant. Over to you, Indira.
Yeah. Thank you, Roma. A very good afternoon to one and all. I congratulate outgoing President Anita Goyalji and her team for a successful year. They overcame so many difficulties, yet put their best foot forward always. And I welcome new President Roma Gandhi and her team and wish them all the best. I'm sure you will take the club to a greater height, Roma. I started Innerville Club of Banjara in the year 2017 with a goal of making a difference in the society. My friend and my neighbor Rashmi gave me full support, and with the help of a very capable team, we started the journey. I'm very happy to see the club reaching new horizon under such able leadership. I assure my full support at every step in the future. Thank you so much, friends.
Thank you, Indra. Thank you, Indra. Monsoon showers bring delight in our hearts, and showers of wishes and blessings bring much, much more. I now request our charming and tech-savvy ISO, Swapna Muthe, to share the greetings and wishes sent to us with love from near and far. Over to you, Swapna.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Hey, Swapna.
Hi. So here are the greetings for today. Congratulatory messages from Lata Suntalia, Lata Shah, Rashmi Doshi, Naina Desai ji, Veena ji, Bindu Gupta, Leher, Anupama Subedar ji, Swarnalata Krishnamurti ji, Kola Totakura ji, and Rajeshwari, Aparna Bajaj, Sushila ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Swapna, for warming our hearts with all these wonderful greetings. Overwhelming indeed. Moving on. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. On behalf of Innerville Club of Banjara, I warmly welcome all our wonderful new members. We are thrilled to have you on board. Your skills and talents will be a valuable asset to Innerville Banjara, and we hope to make a stronger team.
Hello, Roma.
Hello, Auntie.
Shekhawat, the mother of this club. You all have abandoned me, but I have come to bless all of you. Not a single word about me.
You are very much here.
But no, the children, that's why the children are flying now. They have grown big. But a mother always come to bless the children. Like Roma,
Ma'am, the program is... Wait, ma'am. आपके ब्लेसिंग्स है मैम, लास्ट आपके ब्लेसिंग माँ का आशीर्वाद के लिए आप पूरा एजेंडा देखिए मैम. एजेंडा में
पहले जैसा Roma has introduced Shernis. Yeah, I'm a Sherni. I have produced Shernis.
Yes.
Strong, healthy children. But the Shernis भी सब चले गए.
नहीं आंटी, आपका लास्ट में सबसे लास्ट में आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स रखिए.
क्या ब्लेसिंग्स का?
एक्चुअली मन की बात आपने सुन ली क्योंकि आपका ही इंट्रोडक्शन था नेक्स्ट कि शेरनियों की माँ को बुलाएंगे अभी ऑन द स्पॉटलाइट टू ब्लेस
इट वाज जस्ट अ जोक आई वाज जस्ट फूलिंग. माँ इतना भी मजाक नहीं करी तो कैसा?
आंटी टेलीपैथी बहुत अच्छी है रही. अगला सेगमेंट ही आपका था। टेलीपैथी कितनी अच्छी है कि अगला सेगमेंट ही आपका था।
Congratulations,
Anita, why
Anita.
don't you make the next announcement?
Anita,
Thank you. हाँ जी,
congratulations for a very, very successful year.
Thank
and
you.
Roma, a year to come, a very progressive year to come. And my blessings are there. Everybody has congratulated you, given wishes, but only a mother can give the blessings.
Yes,
And
yes,
with
yes.
my blessing,
Thank you,
you
auntie.
all will touch the sky.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बिना आपके आशीर्वाद के आंटी हम कुछ भी नहीं है, आपके आशीर्वाद से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे।
Yes, yes, yes.
मैं तो कुछ बोलना ना, आप लोग माँ हूँ ना।
आंटी आपका नेक्स्ट है, आपका क्या हम क्या बोल रहे? आपको टेलीपैथी, आपका ब्लेसिंग्स ली, अब आपका नेक्स्ट आपका ब्लेसिंग्स ही है आंटी।
हेलो, माता जी की डांट ही ब्लेसिंग्स होती है।
सुनो,
ब्लेसिंग्स मिल गई। चलो, now the year has started to a wonderful start. The term has started to a wonderful start.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All my blessings to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, aunty. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
May we have the induction of new members. B. Padmavati ji, Neeta Johar ji, Maureen G.C. Rodrigues, and C. Pratyusha Reddy. The objectives of Inner Wheel: to promote true friendship, to encourage ideals of personal service, and to foster international understanding. To the new members, the oath. You have been invited to become a member of this Inner Wheel Club because we are sure you will welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that membership brings with it. We believe that you will enjoy being a member of a truly international organization and take a full and active part in all that this club offers. We do hope that you will feel you are among friends and enjoy participating in all the aspects of Inner Wheel. On behalf of the members of the Inner Wheel Club of Banjara, I welcome you. I introduce this new member to you and ask to extend your friendship to her. A very warm welcome to Padmavati, Neeta, Maureen, and Pratyusha Reddy. Can't hear the new members can unmute themselves, please. Can the new members unmute themselves?
Congratulations to all.
Congratulations.
Welcome to the IWC family, all the new members.
Another 4 children of mine, is it? Another 4 children of mine.
Yes. Children.
Just delivered.
Congratulations, my children. Welcome to Inner Wheel Club of Banjara.
Auntie, congratulations once again, Mataji.
Thank you.
I now request our proficient and competent secretary, Mrs. Krishnaveni Singh, to kindly recognize the presence of the dignitaries gathered here today.
Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Thank you, Amita. Very good evening to each and everyone. I am Krishnaveni Singh, Secretary of IWC Banjara. On behalf of IWC Banjara, I extend my humble gratitude to all the dignitaries and IWC seniors for sparing their precious time in attending this virtual installation ceremony. I would like to recognize the presence of our district chairman, Mrs. Sunita Vallamji, and our PDCs of our district 315, who are our strength and pride. The further recognition, the presence of our PAT CCC, Mrs. Padma Sharma ji, and PDC, Mrs. Naina Desai ji, PDCs, Mrs. Sumati Naidu ji, PDC, Mrs. Moya Chandwani ji, PDC, Mrs. Janki Mohan ji, and our mother of our club, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawat.
Thank you.
And our district Vice Chairman Mrs. Leela Chandwani ji, District Secretary Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Kola ji, और District ESO Mrs. Premlata ji, District Treasurer Mrs. Swarnalata ji, District ISO Mrs. Jayashree ji, District Editor Mrs. Anupama ji, and our presidents and Secretary Club Lata Shah ji, and Hyderabad Central Veena Verma ji, and Hyderabad Srujana President Leela Bhatia ji, and Anupama ji, and Manisha Rupani ji, and Hyderabad Central Leela Sushila Rupani ji, and other presidents and secretaries, ISOs, and editors, and all my sister members. I apologize to those dignitaries I missed to recognize. Sorry. Thank you to all. Over
Thank
to
you,
Amita Karnani.
Thank you, Krishnaveni ji. As the evening comes to an end, may I request our founder treasurer, Mrs. Bindu Gupta, to offer her vote of thanks to all those who made this event a grand success. Over to you, Bindu.
Thank you, Amita. Good evening, everyone. I am Bindu Gupta, the founder treasurer of Inner Wheel Club of Banjara and the vice president in this new incoming team. My warm greetings to everyone present here today. My heartiest congratulations to the outgoing president Anita Goel and her team for a super successful year gone by, and my good wishes and support to incoming President Roma Gandhi and her team for a triumphant term ahead. On behalf of Inner Wheel Club of Banjara, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, District Chairman Sunita Vallam ji, for her enlightening speech. Ma'am, you are truly an inspiration. A very humble thank you to our guest of honor, Honorable Mayor Vijayalakshmi Gadwal ji. Ma'am, you are the pillar of strength and support for our club. Thank you for always being there for us. I am thankful to Amita for efficiently and flawlessly conducting today's proceedings. Thank you to the mother of our club, Vijayalakshmi Shekhawat ji. A special and a very big thank you. To all our PDCs, district committee members, presidents and their teams of District 315, special guests and all our Inner Wheel sisters for sparing their precious time to grace our installation ceremony with their presence. A big gratitude to all our seniors from Inner Wheel Club of Secunderabad for always being our guiding lights. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Mr. Harish Bardwaj and his team for their immense cooperation and technical support, without which today's event would not have been possible. Thank you once again to each and every one of you. Thank you, Amita.
Thank you, Bindu. Thank you. I now request President Roma Gandhi to formally adjourn the meeting.
Meeting adjourned.
See, I am the ground where all these PDCs like pillars, they are standing on me. I am the ground.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, so true, ma'am. Thank you so much for being there.
I'm supporting the props.
And thank you for your blessings so that we can start very beautifully this year, the new term with blessings.
Thank you.
Wishes, that is all we need.
Thank you.
Can I congratulate?
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे